Welcome, class of 2024. I am Captain John Cashman, the Commandant of Midshipmen here at Maine Maritime Academy. I'm looking forward to seeing you next week, whether it be virtual or in person, and most importantly, happy to have you get ready for your time here at Maine Maritime Academy. I want you to realize that check-in day is going to be very hectic, but we're prepared for your arrival. What you can expect when you arrive in Castine is a number of MMA staff and faculty to greet you and to show you and your parents where to go for check-in procedures. There'll be several tents set up, which will go through any in-processing paperwork, medical forms, payments that might be due, as well as picking up your sea bag as part of your mug issue. From there, you'll receive your key to your room, which will be your home for the next 10 days of RPT. Do expect to spend much of the first 2 days in your room, but you won't be completely isolated. We have a number of welcoming events, as well as opportunities for you to learn the campus and become familiar with our online services. About the time that you get comfortable, we'll be taking you outside and starting our full training for RPT. A couple things to help you prepare in advance. I highly recommend that you have a haircut before arriving. We do have a barber, however, their time is going to be very limited, and with a large number of students needing haircuts, it's best if you have that done in advance. If you have a Type 3 Coast Guard approved personal flotation device or life jacket, I encourage you to bring that as well. There are an awful lot of on-the-water events, and having your own life jacket ensures a comfortable and perfect fit for you, and also gives you the chance to try it on, see how it works for you, and you don't have to worry about sharing with others. As part of your preparation, I encourage you to start getting up early. Our days often start at 5:30, if not earlier. So I don't want you to have that shock on day one of having to wake up well before the sun rises. I encourage you to start that now. Exercise. Hopefully you have been. If not, please do start. Well, the RPT is busy, not only with physical training, but a lot of new information. Having your body physically prepared for the long days will help you from day one. And hydrate. Maine is absolutely beautiful in the summer, but it may be warmer than what you're used to. You'll be spending more time outside than what you're used to. If you feel thirsty, then you have not had enough water to drink ahead of time. Begin hydrating early, even starting now, making sure that you've got enough fluid intake. Also want to talk about living aboard the ship. Each of you will have the chance to spend about half of the fall semester living aboard TSOM, the state of Maine. Those of you in Alpha and Bravo Company will move aboard at the end of RPT, and Charlie and Delta will move aboard at a halfway point of the semester. This is a great opportunity for you to become familiar with our training vessel, to learn what it's like to live aboard a ship, to work in close quarters with others, and to take care of your vessel. Because of that move mid-semester, I encourage you to pack light. Much of what you will need will be issued in your sea bag. Certainly bring some comfortable clothes, we call them civilian clothes, for those opportunities when you do have to leave campus, but realize most every day, morning and night, you're going to be in either your PT gear that's issued or in a uniform. The less you pack to bring with you, the less you have to carry up and down the hill between the dorms and the ship. The state of Maine does have a very robust air conditioning system, so I encourage you to bring warm clothes for the evening, maybe a separate set of sweatpants or a sweatshirt or flannel pajamas. You may very well need them despite it being summertime weather. Also, laundry. You're going to be expected to do your own laundry. We have facilities on board the ship as well as in the dormitory. If you're in the dorms, I encourage you to bring your own soap as well as fabric softener or fabric softening sheets. On board the ship, we're going to provide you the soap that's authorized for use on board, but also have those laundry sheets for comfort. With that, there's a lot more information available on our website. Do reach out. I don't want you to arrive with anxiety or questions, but know you're going to be very busy when you get here. We're here to assist, but also don't hesitate to ask questions. Anybody on staff is going to be willing to point you in the right direction, answer the questions that you may have. I'd much rather have you ask, and if you need something, ask for it, than to sit back and not be prepared for the RPT time ahead. More importantly though, be excited. This is a tremendous step in your career and in your development. You're going to go through an experience unlike most other students have. You're going to meet a lot of friends. You're going to have a lot of lifelong memories. So we're excited to have you here. Continue to prepare, reach out as you need to, and travel safe.